All right, so before I teach the next thing, let's go over a little bit more of what happens with the with some of these orange words. So notice where it says start. That means this is the actual start of the program. I want to do everything after this in order. All right, and then these right here, I just typed them out. These are just our basic math symbols. So plus, minus, then that's multiply. This right here is multiply. Even though it looks like a star, it just means multiply. Some of you who are in algebra, you know that you can do this to multiply. Like if I did 3 in here and 4 in here, it does not work that way in coding. You cannot multiply by putting two numbers in parentheses together because we need parentheses for other things. But um, this right here at least looks somewhat like division. Think of it as a fraction bar. Okay, so we got plus, minus, multiplication, and division as our basic. We're also gonna have two others that I'll go over later when we actually use them. But these are four basic ones. Now, why do we create variables? Because we might need to do some work with them. For instance, numerator, denominator, answer. I'm going to do some division. So I'm going to make um, a quick program to do some division for me by saying, hey, I made a numerator that's 5, and I made a denominator that's 5. Divide them for me, and then put the answer to that math problem into the variable answer. And then when uh, when I get the answer, maybe that's all I need to do. Maybe I want it to go on the screen. So a lot of languages have something called print, and then you can say print the answer. That means it'll show up on the screen. And so if I ran this, it would show, hey, look, the answer is 1.0. And so that would be that's what's called the output of the program. All right. So anyway, we can do math with variables. We can also do logic with variables. So, for instance, I can do if answer is greater than, oh, I have to make a color for that symbol, I forgot. Answer is greater than 2, then, and here's some more curly braces. If the answer is greater than 2, then print the answer. And then else, oh, got to put a color for that too, curly braces, else do nothing. So, there you go. That's why we have variables. We do math with them, or we do logic with them. So, one more video, and then we'll do an assignment.